unbox with me the phones that I got from China, right? Since my year of importation, I have never gotten a phone or laptop, but I decided to give it a try. So guys, unbox these phones with me. So I decided to face my fears, because the actual reason why I have not tried importing gadgets is because of the fear of what I ordered versus what I got, despite the fact that I have experience when it comes to importation. Yes, I've imported a lot of things and still importing. So I said to myself, why not give it a shot? If it turns out good, fine. If it turns out bad, you learn and move on and keep trying. So I decided to give it a shot. So I went to 1688 and browsed for phones, right? When I saw the phones I like, I chatted the seller and asked questions about the storage capacity, the camera quality, all the questions you will ask when you want to buy a phone, right? So he showed me a particular phone and advised that I should try that one, that the phone is very good. So I paid for it. Then on the other hand, my mom have been wanting these button phones for some time now. So instead of going to Computer Village here at Ikeja to get for her, I said okay, I just decided to buy everything at once there. Do you get? So here we have the phones. So for my mom, I got 2 of that button phone. And the reason why I got my mom 2 of that phone is because of the seller's MOQ. His MOQ is 2 pieces. You can't buy one. So I decided to get the 2 at the same time. So yeah, so that is it. Yeah. So now about the shipping for these phones. If you're getting anything like battery, you're getting anything like gadgets and some other type of goods, they are classified as special goods. They do not arrive the same time normal goods arrive. You get? And you pay some extra dollar. Like I paid $2 extra on each of these phones, and here we have them. So anyways, okay, they've already opened here to check. Woohoo! Okay guys, I hope you can see this. So this is what do you see here? This is Nokia. I hope you can see it. Yeah, this is Nokia. This is Nokia 105. So this Nokia 105. Let's keep it to one side. Let me open this one. So this is my Android. Oh. So this is my Android. Okay, this is for cleaning the surface. So this is the phone. This is the phone. This is an Android. Wait, where is the specification of this phone? Oh, this phone is okay. Let me check the specification. Okay, so this phone is an i15 Pro Max, 16 gig and 1 terabyte. Yes, that's what I'm seeing here. 16 gig and 1 terabyte. The phone. Yeah. Okay. I don't know how to be excited. I don't know if should I be excited. Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to put it on now. Okay, I'm peeling it off. So let's check other items inside. So we have for the facial wipes, we have the charger, and the phone cover. So that is all. Okay, this is screen guard. That is all. So let me unbox these ones. Okay, so this is it. This is Nokia 105. This is the Nokia You can see it. This is the small Nokia. It came with the battery. Here is the battery, and this is the charger. So this is black color. Okay, so because I ordered for 2 colors, I just hope they gave me black and blue. I'll be black and pink. So let me open this one. Oops. Okay, and this is the blue color. This is the blue color. Yes, this is Nokia 105. Same thing, the battery and the charger, the black and blue. So for this now, I want to review the camera quality now as it is hot. Then before I talk about the prices. Okay, I think I need to remove this. This is how the camera, this is the camera at the back, and this is the front. This is it. So let's see the camera quality. So you can see it's already getting dark though this evening. So the camera quality, my review for this camera quality is like 7/10. It's 7/10 compared to my other phones. This is 7/10. So this phone cost me 48,396 naira. This phone minus the shipping. I'm just telling you for the price, right? Then for these ones, these two cost me 16,192 naira. So as of when I bought them, or as of when I paid for them, shipping for these phones cost me 19,279 naira. So every expenses, which includes both the procurement and the shipping, cost 83,807 naira. And these two are going to my mom. And for this one, if I like it, I'll keep it, but if I don't like it, I'll send it to my brother. So guys, let me know what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Bye.